Wait, we gotta lift it, bro.
Lift it more. It's gonna damage the part to the bottom. Oh no.
What happened?
Fuck you, where you at? You don't need someone over there, nigga. Tilt it up. Okay, open the door. More. Alright.